Sickle cell anemia is a genetic disorder that affects many Canadians, but those most impacted often have little awareness of this disease. The red blood cells of a person with sickle cell anemia become shaped like a half moon instead of a round shape. Patients can experience a variety of symptoms and often die at an early age. Early detection is important to address this disease. In order to do so, the general public must first be educated.
I'm leading a charge to form a sickle cell foundation of Canada. And one of the primary goals of that foundation will be to really educate the public at large, to bring awareness about this disorder.
Although past education and research has focused on people of African descent, Canadian education must also include other affected populations.
We have a growing immigrant population, especially visible minorities that are very susceptible to this disease.
Many do not realize that several ethnic groups are affected. Even medical professionals lack knowledge about sickle cell anemia.
What is interesting is that this lack of awareness is not even in the general public. There are doctors and nurses and people in the healthcare profession who have very little knowledge of this disorder.
In order for early detection and treatment, the medical community must better their education efforts.
I only came across this topic about possibly once or twice during my undergrad career.
Collaborative efforts between researchers, medical professionals, and community advocates may lead to important findings. These findings could increase the lifespan of patients with sickle cell anemia and result in more accessible cures.
Although there are many people who still do not know about the disease sickle cell anemia, there is much work being done, both in the scientific and medical communities, to learn more about the disease and to better educate the public. Hopefully, through the work that's being done, we will be better able to address this disease, both here in Canada and around the world. I'm Brock Mason for Ion Sheridan.